Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. We always crave for restaurant style foods, right? So here I have a simple, easy to make vegetable clear soup recipe just for you. Let's get started. First off, butter. Don't skip it. This is roughly crushed ginger, garlic and green chilies, and the detailed recipe is in the description box below. We will saute this for a minute or so. Now you can use any veggies you like. You may even add sliced mushrooms. We will build the flavors, so it is important to saute after each addition. This is the white part of the green onions and finely shredded cabbage, which we will just mix. Since this is a clear soup, we will not add too many ingredients and keep it simple. Just 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce will be enough. If you have all the ingredients ready, this soup will come together in just a few minutes. After we add water, we will just mix and bring this to a boil. Coriander leaves for a lovely herb flavor. We will cook this but keep the veggies crunchy for a nice texture while eating. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy, quick and easy recipes I post every week. Once this comes to a boil, we will add the cornstarch slurry to thicken the soup. Mix and bring to a boil and you will see it thickening slightly. A final garnish and the soup is ready to be served. Such a quick and easy recipe and can be enjoyed within the comforts of your home. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.